Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Today we are discussing the topic divisibility test. This is one of the most important topic in competitive examinations such as Ssc, Rrb, State PSC, and most probably we can find at least one question from this topic. So it is most important one. Okay, so before taking such type of examinations, we should not miss this type of topic. Okay, so once we cover this topic, then we can easily get 1 or 2 marks, whatever the marks fixed in those examinations. Okay, so first of all, we all know the formula for division. What is the formula for division? Dividend equal to divisor multiplied by coefficient plus remainder. Here of course there is a note, that means we all know also. Okay, so there are two numbers a and b, both are divisible by n. Then sum of these two numbers or a difference of these two numbers, they are also divisible by n. For example, what he is trying to say is, let's say 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. Okay, so sum of these two numbers, that means 27, or difference of these two numbers 3, both are also divisible by 3. That's it. Okay, here what is the divisibility test? Of course this is our topic, right? So divisibility test means divisor, whether a divisor can divide the given number or not. Simply here also, from this formula also, okay, so if we divide the dividend by divisor, then we get the coefficient and the remainder is 0. Okay, so we can simply apply this formula. Then why should we learn this short tricks topic? Definitely we should learn this short tricks topic. Okay, here for example, let's say here is an example. Okay, which of the following can divide the number 1501256781? This is, I think, nearly 6 plus 5, 11 digit number. Yes, yeah, 11 digit number. Okay, so in order to divide this 11 digit number by these options, it takes so much time. Okay, so so why should we waste time? Of course, in competitive examinations, time is so precious. So if we learn these short tricks, then we can simply solve these problems within seconds. Okay, let's say for example here, options are 2 and 4, right? So for 2 and 4, basic condition is last digit of the given number should be even number. Okay, here 2 and 4. Okay, so for 2 and 4, last digit of the given number is even number, but here 1 is odd number. So 2 and 4 are not answers. Okay, let's say 5. For 5, last digit should be either 0 or 5, but here it is 1, so 5 is also not wrong. Okay, next remaining option is 3. This is the answer. Okay, maybe we might have some doubt, right? Let's check it. Okay, so in order to check whether 3 can divide the given number or not, first of all we need to add all the digits of this given number. That means 1 5 1 5. Okay, so 1 5 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 6 20, 27 35, 35, 35 9, 44 plus 1 45. So what is the digit sum? Digit sum is 45. So 3 can divide this 45, so 3 is the answer. Okay, so this kind of advantages are available in these short tricks. Okay, so let's learn this short tricks topic. Okay, let's delve into it. Let's go. First we will start with 2 power n. Okay, we all know what is 2 power n. 2 power n means here n equal to 1 2 3 4 etc. Here 2 power 1 means, see, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 square means 4, 2 cube means 8. Usually you might have got doubt, are yaar, here we are dividing this divisibility, then why this power has come? Definitely, I'm going to explain it. Here, based on this n number, we are going to take digits. Okay. For example, here example is 142. We need to check whether it is divided by 2 or not. Okay. Since 2 means 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means n equal to 1. So last digit, only one digit should be taken. Okay. So secondly, in second example, it should be divided by 4. 4 means 2 square. Okay. 2 square. Here n equal to 2. N equal to 2 means we need to check with last two digits of the number, that means 64. Okay. And third example, 8. 8 means 2 cube. Okay, in 2 cube, that means 3 digits. So last 3 digits should be checked. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then whole number is divisible by 8. Let's check it out. Here 824. 824 means, of course, 824 is divided by 8. Okay, let's check whole number. For example, 1556824 by 8. Okay, see, wait, yeah, 8. Okay. 8 ones are 8, 75, 8 nines are 72, 36, 8 fours are 32, 48. Okay. 8 6 are 48, 0, 3. So 8 can divide this number. Simple. Okay. So instead of checking all these things, if we see last 3 digits, then we can simply say whole number can be divided by 8. Simple thing. Okay. I hope you have got the point. Okay. For example, let's say 16. For 16 means 2 power 4, right? That means last 4 digits should be taken. Okay. For 32, okay, last 4 digits should be taken. Okay. For 32, last 5 digits. Okay, last 5 digits should be taken. Okay. Next, divisibility by 3. Here, of course, here also 3 means 3 power 1, 3 power n means 3 power 1 equal to 3, 3 square equal to 9, 3 cube equal to 27, etc, etc. But basic step is, step 1 is, we need to add the digit sum. I mean, we need to find the digit sum. Okay. Digit sum should be found, and second step is sum to be divided by. Here main thing is the divisor should be the multiple of 3. Okay. So when the divisor is a multiple of 3, then only these two steps should be followed. Okay. For example, here 15561. 15561 means, since here we need to check with 3. Okay. So first of all, we need to find the digit sum. Digit sum means 15561. 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. That means 18. 18 is, since 18 is divisible by 3, whole number is divisible by 3. Next, second example, 189279. In 189279, first we need to find the digit sum. That means 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7 plus 9. Here sum is 36. Since 36 is divisible by 9, divisor, then whole number is also divided by 9. Okay. I hope you have got the point. Okay. So here mainly there are two steps. One is digit sum, and second is sum. I mean, whatever the result, digit sum should be divided by the divisor. Okay, given divisor. Here divisor should be the multiple of 3 only. Okay. Next, divisibility by 5 power n. 5 power n means 5 square, 5 cube, etc. Okay. Here for 5 for 5, condition is if last digit is 0 or 5, then blindly we can say that number can be divided by 5. Simple. So last digit should be 0 or 5. Okay, so for 25 means it is 5 square. That means last two digits should be divided by 25, then whole number is divisible by 25. Okay, so in the same manner, even for 125, if it is, since it is 5 cube, last three digits should be checked. Okay, since last three digits or last three digits, okay, this 125 can be divided by 125, we can say whole number can be divided by 125. Okay. next sorry, excuse me. Next, divisibility by 11. Here of course there are two methods. Okay, of course there are three methods. First I will say about two methods, later on I will tell the third one. Okay, here first one is we need to find the difference between sum of alternate place digits. Okay, here the difference should be either 0 or divisible by 11. Here let's say, let's take this example. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So first of all we need to find the sum of alternate places. After that we need to find the difference. So sum of alternate places, see, first step is sum of alternate digits, second is difference. Okay, difference of sums. See here 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 means 1. Okay, alternate digit is 3, alternate digit is 2, that means 6. Okay, next 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 3 6. So here 6 and 6, since it is 0, so whole number is divided by 11. Okay, this is the first method. Second method is add all the couplets. For example, here what we have to say, from right side onwards we need to take pair of digits. Pair of digits means 23, 31, 12, etc. Okay, so once we divide this number into couplets, we need to add them. For example, here 23, okay, 31, okay, and 12. So the sum is 66. Since 66 is divided by 11, whole number is divided by 11. Here you might have got some doubt. Suppose if only one number is left, then what should we do? Definitely, for suppose, let's say 1 2 3 1 2 3 3, for example. Here couplets means 33, 12, 23, only one. So what we have to do, 33, sorry, 12, 23, 0 1. Simple. Okay, like this we should take. Okay, so this is the second method. I hope you might have got it. Suppose if you don't understand it, just go backward and listen to it. Definitely it's not a difficult one. Okay, definitely you will understand it. Okay, next, divisibility by 111. Here, since there are 3 ones, we need to take triplets. Triplet means, okay, so from right side onwards we need to divide this whole number into 3 triplets. Triplets means, for example, here 6 digits, so 444, 333, like this. That means 333. So then we need to find the sum. So 333 plus 444, that means 777. So we need to check whether this sum is divided by 111 or not. Since 777 is divisible by 111, whole number is divisible by 111. Okay, next, divisibility by 4 ones. 4 ones means same here also. Since there are 4 ones, then we need to divide this number into 4 digits. Okay, then we need to add them. So outcome, that means the whole sum should be divisible by 4 ones. If whole sum is divisible by 4 ones, then whole number is divided by 4 ones. Okay, next topic is divisibility by 7, 13, 17, 19, etc. Okay, so for what we have covered 2, we have covered 3, we have covered 4, we have covered 5, we have covered not 6. Okay, so 7 no, 8, we have covered 9. Okay, so we have covered 11. Okay, so we did not cover 10. Okay, see, for 2, that means last one digit should be checked. For 3, sum of digits should be checked. For 4, last 2 digits should be checked. For 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. For 8, last 3 digits should be divided by 8. For 9, whole digit sum should be divided by 11. Okay, should be 9, sorry. For 11, of course, difference of sum of alternate digits should be 0 or 11. Okay, here for 10, last digit should be 0. If last digit is 0, then blindly we can say whole number can be divided by 10. Okay, next divisibility by 7, 11, 7, 13, 17, 19, etc. Here usually, okay, oscillator approach is there. Okay, so oscillator approach, of course, it's not, I don't say it's the easy one, at the same time I don't say it's a tough one. Once we practice, then we are used to it, so we can simply solve the questions. Okay, so depends on your convenience, you can directly divide the number by 7, or you can also apply this oscillator approach. So once we complete this oscillator approach, then we will go to the shortcut for 7, 11 and 13 also. Okay, and there also you can also apply that approach also. Okay, here oscillator approach means what we have to do, we bring the number. Okay, 7 is there, 7 means, okay, so we bring the number closer to the multiples of 10 with the difference of 1. Okay, see, how could we bring this number closer to the multiples of 10 with the difference of 1? 7 ones, okay, 7 ones, that means 7, so 3 difference is there. 7 twos, that means 14. 7 threes, that means 21. Okay, so only one difference here, 20 minus 1, simple. So 20 plus 1, that means 1 is more than 20. Okay, 20 is the multiple of 10. Okay, and 1 is more, that's why it is known as negative oscillator, because to match this number to the multiple of 10, we need to subtract 1 from the given number. That means what I am trying to say is 21 minus 1 equal to 20, then only we get the multiple of 10. Okay, that's why it is a negative oscillator. Okay, for 7 it is, since it is the multiple, 20 means 10 into 2, that's why 2 is the negative oscillator of 7. Okay, next for 13, okay, 13 threes, 13 3, that means 39. Here, okay, to make this number closer to the 10, we need to add 1, then only we get 40. Here 40 means it is on 4 into 10, so 4 is the positive oscillator, because we are adding 1 to this number, then only we are getting this 40. That's why 4, since 4 is the multiple of 10, 4 is the oscillator of 13. Since we are adding 1, it is a positive oscillator for 13. Okay, same is given here. 2 is the negative oscillator for 17, because 21 minus 1 equal to 20. Here we are subtracting 1 from 21. Here 39 plus 1 equal to 40. Here we are adding 1, that's why it is a positive oscillator. Same thing here, 19 means 19 plus 1, so 20. Here it is positive oscillator. Okay, so let's check the example. Okay, I hope you might have understand. I hope you understand this topic. Okay. Next examples. See here, 343. So we need to check whether this 343 can be divided by 7. Let's see. Of course, we all know 2 is the negative oscillator for 7. What we have to do? So 2 must be, okay, last digit. What is the last digit? 3. 3 must be multiplied by 2, and then this multiplied value should be subtracted from the rest of digits. Okay, 35 minus 6 equal to 28. Okay, since 28 is divisible by 7, then whole number can be divided by 7. Okay, let's see the another example. 299. In 299, what we have to do? Last digit is 9 here, so we need to multiply this 9 with what is the oscillator for 13? 4. Okay, so we need to multiply this 4 and 9. Okay, then since it is a positive oscillator, we need to add this. Okay, so 29 plus 4 9s 36. So what is the value? 65. Since 65 is divisible by 13, whole number is divisible by 13. Okay, of course I told you now there is a shortcut for this is 7 11 13. Okay, simple thing. Okay, so when we have to check with these numbers, then simply we can subtract last 3 digits from the rest of the digits and divide the result by the divisor. For example, 2379 is here. Okay, so 379 is the last 3 digits. Okay, so 2 minus 379 equal to 377. Okay, so just ignore this sign. Okay, ignore this sign. 377 is divisible by 13. Okay, here you have to remember this value. Okay, 1001 means it is a value of multiplication of 7 11 13. Okay, 7 11 13 equal to 1001. Okay, and also ABC, when you multiply ABC and 1001, then you get ABC. Okay, for example, 123 into 1001 equal to 123 123. Okay, next, divisibility by composite numbers. Yeah, what are these composite numbers? We have already covered so many numbers. Then why these composite numbers? Okay, of course we need to check now. Okay, see, so far we have covered 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10. Okay, 11. Okay, etc. Let's see, etc. Okay, here 6 is missing, here 12 is coming, here we have covered 13, 14 is coming. These are all composite numbers. Even 4 is also composite number, since I have already covered this 4 and 8 9. Then I'm not covering this here because okay, so let's see with these numbers. Okay, see, step 1, first of all we have to find the prime factors for this divisor. Okay, step 2, divide this given number by those prime factors of the divisor. For example, let's say 6 is here. Okay, for 6, what are the prime factors? 2 and 3. Okay, so if the given number is divided by both 2 and 3, then whole number is divided by 6. Simple thing. See here, for example, here what are the prime factors? 2 and 3. For 2, what is the short trick? What is the tip? So last digit should be divided by 2. Here 6 is divided by 2. Okay, so 2 is okay. Next 3, for 3, sum should be divided by 3. Digit sum 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 is also divided by 3. So since it is satisfying both the conditions, 6 can divide the number 2226. In the same manner, we can say, for example, 12 means 4 into 3. So we need to check with 4 and 3. For example, 15, 3 into 5. For example, 18, 9 into 2. For example, 16 we have already covered, 17 we have already covered, 21, 7 into 3. So in order to check this 21, we need to it need to satisfy both the conditions of 7 and 3. Okay, I hope you have got the point. Okay, let's go to this practice bits. These are not the easy ones. Definitely this level is a little bit higher. I don't say it's the easy one, but it's a moderate level. Okay, let's check. First question is, smallest number that must be added to the 756704 to make it divisible by 9. See, first of all, for 9, what is the condition? First thing is digit sum. Second thing is divide sum by 9. Okay, so digit sum means 7, 5, 12, 12, 6, 18, 18, 7, 25, 25, 0, 25, 25, 4, 29. What is the digit sum? 29 only. So what he is asking, smallest number that must be added. Okay, so in order to in order to make this sum divided by 9, digit sum should be either 36 or 45, because the number should be added to this number. So 36 means, okay, for getting 36, 29 plus 7 equal to 36, 29 plus 45 means 16 equal to 45. Since we need only one digit, we can't apply this rule. Okay, so this is the answer. If we add 7, then we can divide the number. Okay, let's check. 756704. Okay, so 756704 plus 7 equal to, what is the number? 756711. Let's check whether it can be divided by 9 or not. 7 5 12, 12 6 18, 18 7 25, 25 plus 1 26, 26 plus 1 27. What is the sum? 27. So it can be divided by 9. Okay, I hope you have got the point. Okay, next, second question is, in a problem of division, divisor is 8 times the coefficient and 4 times the remainder. If remainder is 16, then what is the dividend? See, basically, of course, in first slide we already discussed the formula. Okay, dividend equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. Okay, here remainder is 16. Okay, so divisor is 8 times the coefficient and 4 times the remainder. 4 times the remainder means 64 into 8 times the coefficient means, okay, so 5 to 4 okay, so in okay, 648, 512 plus 16 equal to 528. It is the answer. Okay, next question is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So totally how many digits are there? 12 digits are there. Okay, how many ones? 12. Okay, so first option is whether it can be divided by 3 only. Second option is 3 and 11. Third option is 3 and 9. fourth option is 3 11 1001. Okay, let's check with 3 first. Since digit sum is 12, so it is satisfying the condition, so 3. Okay, next 9. 12 divided by 9, we can't, that's why, so C is not the answer. Next 11. 11 means alternate difference of alternate digit sum. So what is this? 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, since it is 0, it is divided by 11. Please see, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4, 5, 6. Same here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, okay. So here we are left with even 3 only also left out because 11 satisfies the condition. So we are left with only 2 options, B and D. 311, 311, 1001, 1001. For 1001, what we have to do? See, recently now we have discussed the shortcut. Last 3 digits if should be subtracted from the rest of the digits. Okay, in the same manner we need to continue the process. If final value is divided by 7, 11, 13, then we can say it can be divided. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so what is the number? 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 6 8 9. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 1 1 1 here minus. Okay, so last 3 digits are subtracted from the rest of the digits. What is the value? 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Same thing, last 3 digits should be subtracted. That means 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, so what is the value? 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, last 3 digits, same, apply this same thing, 1 1 1 1 1. So what is the value? 0. So it can be divided. So since it is 0, it satisfies the condition of 7, 11 and 13. What is the formula? What is the value we get by multiplying this 7, 11, 13? We are getting 1001. So answer is 3. Simple thing. Okay. Next question is 24AB is divisible by 99. Then, okay, what is the value of A and B? Here, okay, here 99. 99 means 9 into 11. That means we should satisfy the conditions of 9 and 11. Okay, first we check with 9. Okay, 9 means 2 4 6. Okay, 2 4 6, 6 4 10. So 10 plus A plus B. Okay, it should be the value. Okay, here. So usually what is the value greater than 10 and also multiple of 8 and 9? It should be 18, okay, or 27, etc. Of course. Okay, so maximum value is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 means 18. 18 means 18 plus 20 equal to 28. Okay, so let's say, okay, here A plus B equal to 8 or 17. Okay, next 11. 11 means 2 plus A plus, okay, so what is the value? 6 plus A minus 4 plus B equal to 0 or 11. Here what is the value? 2 plus A minus B equal to 0 or 11. Okay, so B minus A equal to 2. Okay, or A minus B equal to 9. So when we solve these conditions, finally we get see here, let's solve these conditions. Okay, A plus B equal to 8 and B minus A equal to 2. A cancel, 2B. Okay, so B equal to 5 and Okay, so once we apply here a equal to 3, so a into b equal to 15. Simple thing. Okay, next, see this question. Okay, what is the least value of x plus y if a 10-digit number 780 x 533 y 24 is divisible by 88? Okay, this question was asked in CHSL 2023. Okay, so what is the least number? Here we need to say least number. Least number means here 88. 88 means it is a value of 8 into 11. 8 and means 2 cube. 2 cube means last 3 values. Last 3 values means 0, 24. And also it should be least value. That means y equal to 0. Then 0, 24 can be divided by 8. So y equal to 0. Okay. Now y equal to 0. Next, 780. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Seven eight zero x 533 okay, so 7 plus 0 7 7 5 12 12 3 15 okay, 15 to 17 okay, 8 plus x okay, 11 plus x, so okay, so 8 plus x 11 plus x 11 plus okay, so 0 11 plus x and also 4 means okay, see here what is the sum? 2 3 5 5 plus 5 10 10 7 17 okay, 17 minus this one is 15 plus x, it should be either 0 or 11 okay. Let's say since we have to find, see here 17, that means 2 minus x equal to 0, 2 minus x equal to 0 or 11 okay. See here since it should be the positive value x equal to 2, that means D is the answer okay. Next question, this question was asked in CGL 2019 okay. So when an integer n is divided by 8, remainder is 3. What will be the remainder if 6n minus 1 is divided by 8? If you follow the formula, it takes too much time. But I tell you the small process, okay? Let's say it is 8 and remainder is 13. Let's say n equal to 11. Okay, if we divide this 8, okay, then remainder is 3. Okay, so 6n minus 1. 6n minus 1 means 6 into 11 65 okay, 65. So when we divide this number by 8, remainder means equal to 1. Simple. So B is the answer. That's it. Next question. Okay, only 2 questions are left. Okay, let's check. See here, if 7-digit number is x okay, 89425 is divisible by 56, what is the value of x square y plus y for larger values of y where x and y are natural numbers? See here, if this question was asked in CGL 2022. Okay, see, let's check. What is this? 56. 56 means it is a multiplication of 7 into 8. That means then the given number should be divided by both 7 and 8. Okay, let's check with 8. For larger values he said, right? Larger values, see here 8 means last 3 digits. Okay, let's say 204. 204 or else 214, 224, 234, 244, like this. Okay, if we apply this 204 a2 16, this is no. 214 a2 16 54, no. 224, okay, so 16, yes. Okay, 234, no. 244, no. 264, yes. So 274, no. 284, no. 294, no. So here, since it satisfies the condition, y equal to 6. Okay, next thing is we need to divide this number by 7, then only we can get the value of x. Okay, so here x 8 9 4 2, what is the value of y? 6 4. Okay, here we are going to apply the oscillator approach. Okay, are you ready? Yes, of course. Okay, so what is the oscillator approach? For 7, what is the oscillator? 2 is the oscillator and it is also negative oscillator, right? That means x 8 9 4 2 6 minus 4 into 2 8. Okay, minus, that means x 8 9 4 1 8. Okay, again here 8 should be multiplied by 2. Okay, x 8 9 4 1 8 is multiplied by 2, right? Here 4 into 2. Okay, here 8 is multiplied by 2. Okay, so here 16 should be subtracted from this whole number. That means x 8 9 2 5. Okay, again 5 should be multiplied by 2 and should be subtracted. Okay, that means x 8 9 2 2 5 is 10. So what is the value? X 8 8 2. Again same thing we apply. Okay, here x 8 8, okay, 2 to 4, that means x 8 4. Okay, same thing we apply here, x 8. Okay, 8. Okay, so what is the value? We get x 0. So x cannot be 0 and x should be divided by 7, then only we can say the whole number can be divided by 7. So here we can say 7, then 70 can be divided by 7. Okay, so what is the value of x? X equal to 7 and y equal to 6. So x square plus y equal to 49 plus 6 55. Okay, last question. Okay, how many numbers are there from 500 to 650 which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 7? Okay, here what we have to do, this question was also asked in CGL 2022. Okay, first of all we have to find the numbers. Okay, how many numbers are there 500 to 650? Afterwards we need to find the numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 3, how many numbers are divisible by 7, how many numbers are divisible by 21. Afterwards we need, since it is neither, then we need to subtract this. Okay, so we are going to do it. Okay, first total how many numbers are there? 650 minus 500 equal to 150 plus 1, that means 151 numbers are there. Okay, afterwards by 3 means, okay, so what is the largest number less than 650 that is divided by 3? 648 minus, what is the least number more than 500. Okay, so that can be divided by 3. 501 by 3 plus 1. Okay, so what is the value? 147 by 3 plus 1. So we get 50. Same thing apply here by 7. What is the largest number that can be divided by 7 and also less than 650? 644 minus, this is 504 because it is the least number divided by 7 and more than 500. Okay, by 7 plus 1. See here we are just see it is the largest number and it is the least number, so by divided by 7, so that we can find how many numbers are there that can be divided by 7. Okay, so how many numbers are there? Totally 140 by 7 plus 1, that means it is a 21. Next again by 21 because 3 LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Okay, here largest number is 630 and least number is 504. Okay, here what is this? 126 by 21 plus 1, that means the 21 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So finally here since he is asking neither divisible by 3 nor by 7, we need to say how many numbers we have. 151 minus how many numbers by 3? 50. How many numbers by 7? 21. Since we have already covered the numbers of 21 also, we need to subtract them. Okay, so 7 14 and 64. Okay, so 151 minus 64, what is the answer? 87. So C is the answer. Okay, so with this we have ended this chapter. Thank you so much. I hope you understood it. Please like my channel. Definitely you're going to receive this kind of topics in future. Okay, thank you so much. Please support me. For PDF, please join the Telegram channel given in the description. Thank you so much. Thank you.